and welcome to my channel. My name is Pete, you're watching Pete J. Cooper the Model Builder, and we are going to build something we've not built for a month, and that is the GT40. So we're building the GT40, as you see, number 5. We're doing stage 15, or at least 2 parts of it, and 50, 63, 4 and 5 I'm still waiting on. If I have that in, I'm complete. But as you see right here, the parts that we had previously, and here, let me just put that up so you actually see it, the parts that we are going to be working with. And I'm doing that one right after this one, so it's early in the morning and I'm going to start this build. So let's go straight for it. In this pack number 15 we've got stage 61 and 62, and as I said just before, we haven't got anything else, so this is what we are working with today. So that's an engine part and the transmission case actually and 2 FP1 screws. And that's all we get this time. Let's see. And yeah, that's it. Let's go for it. This is all we get in this stage. I think I get the other part that we already have from the previous stage. So this is the right transmission case. We're getting that out as well because we're putting that on. And as you can see, there's a location lug on both sides. One is a little bit thinner than the other. The one is thicker, so there's no other way that you can put it than that way. And then all we do is put that screw in that we got. FP01. Put a bit of oil on that because we're screwing into plastic. Yeah guys, I'm sorry. It's that. And that's all we do in this stage. So that is stage 61 done. So I'm going to put that up and see what we do here. So what I normally do is I get those staples out, so I've got a nice front to show you, which I usually put on the side here. Oh, then I put the staples away so I'm not scratching anything. I've got a really good bag and that we can use, but I'm not going to. So these are the FP1s. I've just mixed them up, but have a look at the thread and you'll see the difference. That's FP and this is that's FD and this is FP, and these are the same. So we're going to put that all away and have a look what we have here. These are the parts that we're using in stage 62, as you can see right there. We've got a transmission upper cover, which is that one. We've got a transmission rear cover, which is that one. And we've got a control lever, which is that one. And of course we've got FP1s and FD1s to put together. And we're starting with the right case. Have a look. What you can see that with the right case has these dots here, and if you look at that one goes right there and this one goes right here. Then we turn it around and we can put an FP in, because this is a plastic part. It's still wobbling, so let me get my other screwdriver out. There you go, not wobbling anymore. There, that's a lot better. So let's put that screwdriver there for the other parts we may want to put on. Then we are going to get the A, which is this one. We're going to get this one out, and we're going to put them on. We're going from one to the other. Guys, sorry about that. We're putting those on those 2 points, and if we're holding it like that, can we put it the other way around? We can't, so we have to make sure that those show this way towards that. Yeah. So that is how it should be in. Then we're going to turn it around and put some more FP ins, because we have ones here, so I can just call them FB or FD. And we can screw them in right there and there. 2 FB screws in there, and that is what we have. Then we're getting that one out, and we're not putting it in like that. That's obvious. So we're putting it in like that. If you look at that, that orientates properly with that as well. So, and this is going to be the FD. That's in pretty good, and that is what we have. Have a look at that orientation there with those rounded cylinders there. Well, then we're going to get those out. Of course, those rounded are going over that side, and this is how we orientate it. There is no other way to orientate that anyway. You need to push that together a bit because it's not neatly in there. And then we've got 1, 2, and 3 screws to put in, and they're most probably all FD screws. Yep. And we are going to need some oil for that. Yeah, the seams are closing up. They were quite, well, not here. It's not coming together there, but it's all right. I can see if I can tighten that up. It did close up a bit, that's good. So that is the transmission that we have right here. We're going to put that aside because we're now doing something in stage 63. We should be getting the first wheel, the outer wheel, and the wing nut, but we haven't got that. But we can do something else, which is pretty darn nice as well. Which is putting in the batteries. We can push that. Sorry. We can push that back on again. Now we need to have a look whether or not that will work. Well, there you go, it works. But that's that for this pack. So I was going to put another wheel on, but we haven't got the parts in, and they will be sending that out to me, but I haven't got it. So what we see, let's go back to that camera, and so what we see right here is what we have, and I haven't got anything more. I do have the next box out there, just above right there, to do. So I will do that. We've tested this engine sound, and it sounds pretty darn good. So I'm going to put this away and say thank you very much, and especially to you who stayed all the way to the end. Thank you. please like, subscribe, and pass it on, and do join me next time on any of my other builds. So thank you very much. See you next time. Bye bye.